Hi everyone, Team Roche RV back here today, and we wanted to share with you our off-grid portable solar power system for our home. We decided to put together a system which will provide some electrical power for operating and maintaining certain devices and appliances in the event of a man-made or natural catastrophic event. So after some extensive research, we decided on this medium level off-grid backup power system, which is truly a portable plug-and-play system and one that will meet all of our off-grid power requirements. Many online off-grid and solar power generation resources contributed in assisting us with putting this system together, which we have acknowledged in the comment section below. So let's get started. So our system consists of the MAXOAK BLUETTI EB150. We have 4 rich solar 100-watt solar panels and brackets, a watt power meter analyzer, a digital multimeter. We have a watt electricity usage monitor, and we have various cables and connectors. The diagram shown here is a depiction of how we have configured our solar panel array. This is the best configuration in order to maximize solar watts generation into this BLUETTI. So let's get started bringing life to our solar power system. All we have to do now is connect the 8mm plug into the BLUETTI solar AC input jack. And as you can see, we are now generating and storing our own off-the-grid solar power. We are now going to demonstrate a few of the devices, both DC and AC, consuming the solar power generated and stored into our power station. So there you have it, our off-grid power system, and we are hoping that this video will be useful to anyone who may be considering building out their own. We have provided several links in the comment section below, which will provide further information on off-grid solar power systems. We have also provided links to every component which makes up our off-grid solution. So we want to thank everyone as always. Please be safe, take care of yourselves, your family, and friends. And hopefully Team Roche RV will see you all again soon on an RV adventure.